eating some breakfast.
Doors for arrival.
First stop of the day. Day in that cafe. Oh, that rhymed. That's my painting. That big freaking painting. Oh my gosh. Hey guys, we are here just gonna chill. We just ate lunch and now we're just gonna relax for a little bit and then go to my uncle's house. Probably not gonna get too close because, you know, don't want to get wet. Oh! No, no, no. Man. It's so cold. I should have brought my jacket.
How's this?
Hey guys, good morning. So today we are driving down to Anaheim to go to Disneyland, and this is the day I am reuniting with Zach. But yeah, this is my outfit. This is from Target actually. I'm gonna leave in like 30 minutes, so I'm gonna finish getting ready because I haven't done my hair at all. Alright, we made it to the Anaheim area. We are pumping the gas for the car right now, so we don't have to do it later because this is a rental and that guy's staring at me, so that's so fun. We made it to our room. Look at how cute this is. Watch this. Okay, we press this button. That's the best. Love that. Look at, oh my. That's literally so cute. Zach is on his way, so I'm just gonna go down and meet him there. Look at our view. What a great view. So good. I got a pin. I'm gonna put it on my backpack. Oh, really driving out here? You already know. I got potato salad in my bag.
Yum.
And, yeah.
Oh, that's like gross.
You guys are really out here.
We out here driving.
This is my friend Zach.
Hello.
Really nice view we got going on today. Yay. We're going through the muddy tracks.
We're going through the muddy tracks on
Going through the muddy
The
tracks.
muddy tracks. Did you get that? Okay.
We're at Guardians of the Galaxy. Hello. Yeah, of course I'm gonna get one, even though they're like $6. Okay, wow, the light is very blue. We're in Cars Land. Very cute, cute. I'm gonna take some cute pictures right now. So, yeah.
That's not that bad.
Okay, yeah, we can do that. Okay, we got some cute pictures. Cars Land is my favorite land. Oh. Don't look, don't get in my face. I got apples with corn dogs. Guys,
Bubbles.
it just started snowing. Guys, hi. Hi. Oh my god, this is crazy. But yeah, that was literally perfect timing. I was telling Zach earlier, I was like, oh my gosh, I hope it snows and all that. And as we walk down, it starts to snow, and I just got so happy.
Don't open your mouth because it's actually bubbles.
Oh yeah, it's actually bubbles. People are already starting to line up for the fireworks. Oh my god, I love it here. Oh my god. Okay, I think we're gonna go towards the middle to get the best spots. So now we're just gonna wait. That's a big freaking tree. We are done in the parks now. He's gonna head back home. I'm gonna head to my hotel. We got a nice view down Main Street, and now we're just gonna rest. First ride of the day. It's so cool. Oh my god. I got a num num cookie and some milk. Hey guys, what is up? So it's actually like 5 o'clock right now. I'm actually on my way to the parks right now by myself, and then I'm gonna meet my family later for dinner. I actually didn't vlog that much yesterday or today, but I just wanted to like enjoy my days here. But I'm gonna vlog now because I'm gonna go on my own and do like some single rider rides. And yeah.
Okay, thank you.
I got my own seat! So Toy Story was actually closed, so I'm gonna try to go to Cars Radiator Springs Racers and see if they have single pass still on. Oh, this is my high five. Okay, heading over to Guardians right now to see if they have any more single rider like times. So I'm gonna go over there now. Okay, the music might get loud, but Guardians didn't have any single rider passes, so I might either head over to Disneyland, but I don't know what time we're gonna meet up for dinner, so I might just chill in the animation room.
See you guys.
See you guys.
Check in with you later. Bye.
Okay. Oh my god.